In this video, we will learn how to add a course. First of all, log in to an Institute admin panel. After login, we are redirected to a dashboard page. Here we can see the number of courses, number of batches, number of students, etc. Right now it's empty because it's a new onboard university. Now to add a course, we will click on the courses link at the left-hand side. Here the list is also empty because no courses have been added yet. In order to add a course, please click on Create Course. For course category, that either could be your category or department. We then add a course name, can add an introductory video, add an image, add in a transcript, add in the date the course is supposed to start, whether it would be paid or free, and whether it will be open to the public, price, if any, certificate cost, if any, number of weeks is the duration of the course, a short description, a long description, and meta tags, which are used for search engine optimization. These are optional. We will not complete it in this demo. Click Add, and here you will see the course category or department, the name of the course, the date that it starts, the duration. Here we will see the status is inactive. Once we add content, we can switch that to active, what date it was created, and what date it was updated. There is also some hyperlinks from this screen that allow you to manage a lot of information about this course. We will cover adding batches in a future video.